Hello friends, welcome back to Aarogya Foods. Today let's make Onam special Palada Payasam, made super easy with instant rice Palada Payasam mix. A creamy, delicious and traditional Kerala style dessert that comes together quickly, perfect for your Onam celebrations. To make these, first let's take a thick bottom pan. For this, add 2 glass of water, approximately 400 ml of water, and 4 glass of milk, approximately 1 liter. Take a thick creamy milk so that payasam texture will be too good. I have taken double horse brand. You can take whatever brand is available for you. Add the instant palada mix and mix it well once and keep the flame on high and cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes on a high flame. Keep stirring occasionally and check the consistency. Do not add any extra sugar as it is sufficient in the given premix packet. Keep stirring the payasam. When the payasam is going to be ready, that time let's give some extra touch-ups from our side. Add 2 crushed ilachi and some nuts of your choice roasted in 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once adding everything, mix it well. When it is creamy consistency, turn off the flame. Now it's ready to be served. That's it. So whenever you're cooking with the stove, cook with the love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you again. Bye bye.